1. Chocolate iceberg lava cake. Ingredients: 250 ml hot milk, 200 gram dark chocolate, preferably 70% cocoa, 500 gram whipped cream, 50 g sugar, cocoa powder. Preparation steps: 1. In a large mixing bowl, add the dark chocolate pieces and pour hot milk over them. Stir gently until the chocolate has completely melted and the mixture is smooth. 2. In a separate bowl, whip the cream with the sugar until soft peaks form. Fold this whipped cream into the melted chocolate mixture until fully combined. This creates a silky, rich texture. 3. Pour the chocolate cream mixture into individual molds or a larger mold. Make sure to fill them to about 3/4 of their capacity. 4. Cover the molds with plastic wrap and refrigerate for at least 4 hours or until solid. For a firmer texture, you can freeze it for 2 hours. 5. Serve. Once set, carefully remove the lava cake from the molds. Dust with cocoa powder for extra flavor. Serve immediately, perhaps topped with additional whipped cream. 2. Lazy ice cream. Ingredients: 200 gram dark chocolate, 500 gram whipped cream, 50 g sugar, optional, fruit jams or purees, like mango or berry. Preparation steps: 1. Break the chocolate into small pieces and place it in a heat-proof bowl. Heat over a double boiler or in the microwave in short bursts until melted. Stir and let it cool slightly. 2. In a large mixing bowl, whip the cream with sugar until thick and fluffy. This should take about 3 to 5 minutes of vigorous mixing. 3. Pour the cooled melted chocolate into the whipped cream. Fold the two mixtures together gently until just combined. If you'd like, add in jams or flavors to redirect the taste. 4. Transfer the mixture into a fresh keeping bag or piping. You can also use a container. Bag for easy molding. Seal and freeze for about 2-3 hours until it becomes solid. 5. Serve. Once frozen, scoop the ice cream into bowls and add toppings like fruits, nuts, or extra chocolate sauce. Tip: this method requires no ice cream maker and yields a light, fluffy texture. 3. Krispy Kreme puffs. Ingredients: 200 gram all-purpose flour, 50 g sugar, 250 ml milk, whipped cream, 5 eggs, 100 gram butter. Preparation steps: 1. In a saucepan, combine milk, butter, and sugar. Quickly add the flour all at once and stir vigorously until a dough forms. 2. Remove the pan from heat and let the dough cool slightly, mixing well after each addition until the mixture becomes smooth and shiny. Pulling away from the sides of the pan. Gradually add eggs one at a time. 3. Preheat your oven to 200 degrees C, 390 to 200 degrees. Transfer the dough to a piping bag and pipe small mounds onto a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. 4. Bake in preheated oven for about 25 minutes. Heat until boiling, or until they are golden brown and puffed. Do not open the oven door during the first 20 minutes. Optional: add steamed purple sweet potatoes or Torah mashed to cream fillings. 5. Serve. Once cooled, slice each puff open and fill with whipped cream. Serve immediately for best texture. Enjoy while it's slightly warm. Enjoy! Happy cooking!